What's up guys, it's the inspiration here again with another video. It's actually another unboxing. It's a gift. It's a MacBook by my older brother. I know that it's first video where I'm actually showing my face. Without wasting any time, let's just get it back into it. I haven't looked at it, so I really don't know what's in there, so let's just look at some specs. It's a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, on the very top I can see that, and I will paste these specs in the description below too. 15.4-inch display, okay, 2880 by 1800 pixels, 2.6 gigahertz, 8th generation i7 processor with 9 MB cache and 16 gigs of RAM. It's DDR4. That's nice. 512 gigs of SSD. Well, wow. First video showing my face making mistakes. Cool. So after that I have 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and it's with touch bar and touch ID. I love it. I love it. I always wanted that. Okay, let's just get back into it. Okay. I love Apple, the way they pack it. It's just a bit hard how they come out. So there we go. Wow, that looks nice. Look at this, guys. That's amazing. Okay, let's take it out. I don't want to drop it. Remember the very first iPhone X unboxing? The guy dropped it on the road. I don't want to do that. Okay, great. I'll put it on the side for now. Let's just look in the box. Okay, so we have some documentation. Actually, that's my very first MacBook that's like brand new, and it's a gift because I have never bought a MacBook brand new before. So some stickers and some basic documentation. Okay, we don't need that. And then there is that Type-C cable. I like that the way they did it. This time it's not connected with the actual power brick. Let me take it out. So if you look at it, the actual anyways, and there we go. So the actual power brick have a Type-C port in it, so that's good. You can store them separately, and that's basically it. What's in the box, and let's just open the MacBook. Okay, wow, that's nice display. Let me, oh well, it's loading a bit, so that's good. It's with the touch bar and touch ID, and that's great. I really like it. If you guys want to see more details about it and you want me to set it up and get in and show you all the test scores, Geekbench test score, all that stuff, I can do that. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.